All right, switching gears now from the graphs to the actual inequality. It says, which of the following is not a solution to the inequality y is less than 1/3 x plus 2? It says there's more than one answer. Well, there's no graph here. I could pull out a graph. I could get some graph paper and actually graph this out to look and see where it's in the region or not. However, I could just plug these in like I did before. So, again, for the inequality 1/3 x plus 2, I'm going to try plugging in a 9 where my x is, a 5 where the y is. So 5 is less than 1/3 of 9 plus 2. Well, a third of 9 is 3, plus 2 is 5. Is 5 less than 5? Well, no, it's not. The question is, which of the following is not a solution? So A is one of my answers because that will not work. Okay, this is supposed to be a comma, a little bit of a typo there. So B, same thing. I'm plugging in, plugging in my coordinate here. A third of 33 is 11. 11 plus 2 is 13. 18 is not less than 13, so that is a possible answer. Plugging in again. Oops, I'm going to write my 6 first by accident. A third of 6 is 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. Is 4 greater than 3? Yes, it is. So that is a solution, which means it's not my answer. Okay, last one. Third of 12 is 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. So again, that is a solution, so it's not my answer. Okay, you'll notice it's the same exact thing for number 8. So if you feel like you got that, try pausing it now and trying it on your own. And then fast forward a little bit to see the answer. So I'm going to plug this in. I've got -3 times the y, so in this case it's -8. Plus 6 times 2 is greater than 24. You'll notice I did not change this to slope-intercept form because I really don't need to. I only need slope-intercept form if I'm graphing and I need to see the slope. In this case, I'm just doing math. It doesn't really matter if I see the slope or not. So in this case, 36 is greater than 24, so it is a solution, and the question is asking for that. So A will be one of my answers. B, same thing. -12 plus 24 is going to give me 12, which is not greater than 24, so B is not an answer. Still continuing on. So that would be 18 plus 6 greater than 24. That would give me 24 is greater than 24, which is not true. I want something to be greater than, not equal to. Last but not least, got 36 plus 18. I don't even know what that is off the top of my head, but I know it's 24, so that is one of my answers because that is true. What would that be, 54? Okay. All right, so now number 9 is a little bit different. It says if 12y is a solution to the inequality, -1/4 y is greater than or equal to 3x plus 8 over 2, what is y? Well, basically, they're giving you an x, so we need to go plug that in. So I'm going to leave everything alone, but when I get to the x, I'm going to go ahead and put in the 12 they just gave me. Okay. Now, I will say 8/2. I don't know why they did that. 8/2 is just 4, right? I'm going to go ahead and do that. So I've got -1/4 y is greater than or equal to, well, 3 times 12 is 36, plus 4 is 40. So now I just need to solve for y, which is what they asked me to do. What is y? So I need to multiply by -4 over 1, because that's the reciprocal on both sides. I am multiplying by negative, so that's going to flip my sign around. And my answer would be -160. Okay, so whenever you get a problem like that where they have given you part of a coordinate, just recognize which part they've given you and go plug it in. All right, last one. The Copp Hill High School Theater Department is selling tickets to their upcoming musical. Child tickets cost $2 and adult tickets cost $4. Christina, the lead in the play, wants to make exactly $40. Is 6 a solution to this situation, and is 12 a solution to this situation? So let's make an equation really fast. Child tickets cost $2 and adult tickets cost $4. She wants to make exactly $40. So she doesn't want to make more, she doesn't want to make less, she wants to make exactly 4. Okay? One thing they haven't told you in the problem is what is x and what is y. I would assume the thing they tell you first is x, but they haven't necessarily specified that. I would tell you on tests and quizzes, we will specify that for you, but I'm going to go with x as the child ticket this time. So 6 is going to be my child ticket, 8 is going to be my adult. So I'm going to try these out. 2 times 6 plus 4 times 8. I want to see if that equals 40. Well, that'd be 12 plus 32, which is not exactly 40. So is 6/8 a solution to this situation? No. That would not give her exactly $40. Okay, so now we're going to try it again with the other option. So 2 times 12 plus 4 times 4 equals 40. 2 times 12 is 24. 4 times 4 is 16. That is exactly 40. So is that one a solution? The answer is yes. Okay? That was a little bit different because it was an equation, not an inequality. Just kind of a random refresher on that. Alrighty, so you do have some homework that you can work out, some practice that you can do in Schoology. You will find it there. You can check it with your teacher tomorrow. Make sure you actually are supposed to do it though. If you are watching this in the year 2018, you are not supposed to do this homework. However, if you are watching this sometime in the future, because I've reused this video, you might have to do that homework. So just listen for your teacher's instructions. But again, 2018 students, you do not need to do this homework. As long as you have copied all of these beautiful notes, then you have done what you need to do.